Hey guys, it's me, Soso. I'm guessing it's safe to say long time no see. It's been a while since I last posted. It was because I wasn't sure what I was going to post next. My older sister was playing a violin cover of the song Daisies, and I got the idea to draw a person based off this song. This artwork was supposed to look different style-wise than most of my other pieces. With this piece, I used more textured brushes rather than my nice, clean inking brush. With all that said, let's get to the art. You guys are probably looking at me and thinking, "Hey Soso,
where is the sketching phase?"
Allow me to explain. The sketching phase is too long. That's all I have. And then there are a bunch of WebM issues and stuff, and I decided not to include it anyway because it was kind of boring. After about an hour-ish of drawing, I made, drumroll please, this. She was by far one of the most time-consuming pieces I've ever made, but I really like her. Her white blonde hair looks super pretty and I like the texture it has. I was so proud of this piece, I sent this to everyone in my immediate family and kept bugging my parents if they saw it. Did you see it?
Yes, enough. Finally, some peace and...
Did you see it?
How long were you behind there?
Just an hour. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can find all my finished pieces and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!